Thank you, sir, for coming to conduct the survey.
Yes, no problem. We're just doing our job.
Well, our current system is still manual, and it seems like would like to switch to a computerized system.
Thank you for the opportunity. We understand the challenge you're facing with a manual system. To help your clinic transition to a more efficient and computerized system, we will certainly use the Waterfall system development life cycle method.
What does the waterfall system development entail?
The waterfall method is used because it follows a highly structured approach that's easy to follow, especially for projects with clear and stable recruitment. Waterfall is very effective for projects with a limited scope and simpler process, particularly for these clinics.
Can you explain how the process works?
Sure.
First, requirement analysis. In the initial phase, the problems faced the clinic are identified. The manual system currently in use has caused several issues, such as inefficient queue management, the risk of data loss, and slow administrative process. To address this challenge, a computerized system is designed to make patient registration, data management, and queue handling more efficient and secure.
Once the requirements are identified, the next step is to design the system. This includes creating the structure of the data, the database, workflow, and a user interface that is simple and easy to use. Logical application diagrams such as use case and class diagram are also developed to better understand the system process.
The system is developed based on the design created in the previous step. At this stage, programmers write code for the main modules, such as patient registration, queue management, and medical record handling, and then integrate these modules into a complete and functional system.
After implementation is complete, the system undergoes the testing phase. During this phase, the build system is tested to ensure it operates as intended. Testing includes all system features such as verifying that patient data recording function correctly, doctor's schedule is well managed, and medical reports are generated without error. Additionally, any bug or issues found in the system are identified and resolved.
Once testing is successful, the project enters the deployment phase. In this phase, the system that has been thoroughly tested and deemed ready is implemented in the clinic. The system is installed on the clinic's device and its functionality is confirmed. Furthermore, training is provided to the clinic staff to ensure they can effectively use the new system. Right? Maintenance. Finally, the maintenance phase is crucial. After the system has been deployed and is in use, its performance is continuously monitored. Maintenance involves fixing any issues or bugs that may arise post-implementation. Additionally, updates and features enhancements are made when necessary to ensure the system continues to run smoothly and meets the clinic's evolving needs.